Hi, I'm Matthew Buzzy with PC Mag, and this is the HP Envy x360 13.3-inch 2-in-1. A bit of a mouthful, but you could break that all down pretty easily. This is the Envy line. It's a convertible 360 system, and the 13.3-inch size is now in a 16:10 aspect ratio. So a little more square. That actually helps relieve, one of the issues that some people have with keyboards this size is that they're a little more cramped. So the 16:10 ratio makes it a bit wider. This screen can come in various configurations as well. You get a full HD equivalent. The resolutions are a bit different because of the new aspect ratio, so it's not the resolutions you may be used to, but there's an HD equivalent, a QHD equivalent, and then a 2.8K OLED model, which is probably pretty appealing. OLED, in our experience, always looks really good in person, and so yeah, you have options to kind of scale up and down depending on your workflow and what you need to do. Obviously, with most convertible systems, pretty much all of them, that'll be a touch screen, so you can flip it around, use it as a tablet, magnetically attach the stylus here, and yeah, good for the road, good for kind of various workflows, I would say. Writing, drawing, taking notes, whatever it is. If you take a train a lot, you can get work done on this. On the note of taking it on the go, the OLED model weighs a little bit more than the standard model, but they both weigh around 3 pounds, so pretty portable, pretty light as far as a real professional laptop can go. So on that note, inside, powering your work is a Core i7 or Core i5, both 12th gen. They are U-series Intel processors, so not the H-series high-level performance. The U-series built for sort of thinner and lighter portable systems like this, but still, in our experience, capable, especially with the power and performance that we've generally seen across Intel's 12th gen processors. Now, combined with that, you can get up to 1 terabyte SSD and up to 16 gigabytes of memory. So all told, pretty powerful, pretty snappy for a professional system at this size. Obviously, we want to test it ourselves and see what kind of other features and point pains or things we especially like about the design once we use it a bit more. But yeah, all the kind of comforts and professional features and additions you're used to in a laptop like this. So at this form factor, we like what we see, and the new sort of aspect ratio is appealing. We'll get back to you with a full review at PCMag.com when units are available, so check back soon. Thank you.